Jonathan Mobley.
Michael Cole.
Jordan Clark.
And today we're going over solubility with products and compounds. Now, what the compound is considered soluble if it dissolves in water. And to measure that, we use KSP. Now, that's just a theoretical application. The real life application is a Q constant. Now, we have 3 constants on the board here where you see the measurements. Now, if your Q is less than your KSP, then your compound is considered unsaturated. So you can use more Q to dissolve into your solute. Now, if your Q is equal to KSP, then your compound is perfectly saturated within your compound, and then it will be perfectly saturated. You can't add any more. But if your Q is greater than too much of your compound within your given soluble compound, and then there'll be precipitate left out. Now, to measure that today, we're going to use a skid, a debate type of skid. All right, good evening, everybody. This is the Morehouse College presidential debates, and we have 3 great candidates today. We have Mr. Unsaturated, Mr. Saturated, and Mr. Supersaturated. All right, gentlemen, we have 2 minutes to deliver your opening speech. Enjoy.
So I'm unsaturated. What am I supposed to say again? I'm a 5th year super senior, right? I'll be here next year, undeclared major. You know, I figured I'd run for president. Stuff been here long enough.
Greetings. Without struggle, there can be no progress. Booker T. Washington. Hello, my name is Saturated. I'm here for feasible solutions.
I'm super saturated. I'm the best candidate by far. I'm a freshman. Sociology, psychology, business major, triple major, with a minor in leadership and women's studies. Thank you for your time.
All right, gentlemen. Now, if elected, what will you do to enhance the experience of the modern Morehouse, starting with Mr. Unsaturated?
Well, I guess I'll start with the basic things like gotta have running water, electricity. I guess the dining hall would have to stay open. You know, some basic things. I feel like classes should come up somewhere in that schedule. Yeah, that's about it.
Mr. Saturated, same question.
Thank you for that question. Under my administration, I plan to improve our status quo here in the AUC. I feel like we go to an institution that is illustrious, that should stand above the rest. Why can't scholars be scholars here? Why does Woodruff Library close early on Fridays and Saturdays? I feel like it should be open at least 24 hours. That's just one.
Okay. I will bring what Morehouse student body really needs. Students need happiness, okay? You know what brings Morehouse men happiness? Women. And what I will do as president, as leader of Morehouse College, I will guarantee that every Morehouse student has at least one girl from Clark, one girl from Spelman, one from Georgia State, and the option of a girl from Georgia Tech or Emory. I mean, I really don't know how any person can get by without that.
2 minutes.
Anyway, as I was saying, and I will guarantee that there will be a shuttle to take them back from your room to their respective colleges. You will not have to walk them back anymore. You won't have to meet them halfway. And maybe
Sir,
even
2 minutes is up.
All right. But vote for me because I'm the best.
All right, gentlemen, I would like you guys to give your closing remarks, starting with Mr. Unsaturated. Remember, your speeches must maintain 2 minutes. We are running on a strict time limit. Thank you.
Closing arguments. In all seriousness, I'm just running so I put on my resume. You know, I'm applying for grad school, maybe. I don't know if I graduate next year or something like that. I don't care if I'm runner-up, second runner-up. No one really, pays attention. Just the fact that I ran would look good. So if I get like a couple votes, like 5, 10, yeah, that'd be good.
Like I said before, I'm saturated for feasible solutions. I want to bring about things that can actually happen here in the AUC. Vote for me, I'm the best candidate.
I'm super saturated. I'm by far going to give you the best opportunity that you're ever going to have in this lifetime. And just remember this when you're going to vote in the polls. I'm bringing student bodies to the student body. Thank you for your time. All right, and so that skit was to illustrate well, we had ideas and achievability. Now, our unsaturated had very few ideas, and so they were all very achievable. And thus, he could have added more ideas, and it still would have worked out. Now, our saturated solution, ideas and achievability matched up exactly. And for the supersaturated solution, you had ideas that went much far.